It's summertime, and Eva is playing with her friends in the sunshine. I guess this summer heat is making them crave for something icy and nicey. Oh, what's that?
Oh, hi, Elly. Hi, friends. Welcome to my bubble tea truck. Can I have some bubble tea, please? Sure. You can make your own drink and select the flavor of your choice. Ah, there is caramel ice bubble tea, strawberry honey bubble tea, matcha bubble tea.
Everything looks delicious. What is Eva going to choose?
I will go with caramel ice bubble tea.
Great choice, Eva.
Matcha tea, coffee latte, strawberry syrup. Coffee latte would taste lovely.
You made the right choice.
Oh, there is espresso and caramel pearls, strawberry tapioca pearls, caramel tapioca pearls. The combination of espresso and caramel. Lovely!
Time to choose your last ingredient.
Oh, there is honey, matcha caramel pearls, and ice. Yes, some ice would be nice.
Well done, Eva.
Drink it cold. It looks yummy.
Hi, Eric. What would you like to have?
I would like to go with strawberry honey bubble tea. Aha! Some yummy strawberry syrup. And some strawberry tapioca pearls. Oh, and with some honey bubbles too.
That's great, Eric. You've made your lovely drink.
Wow, thanks, Elly.
I would like to make my own bubble tea too. I'll go ahead with matcha bubble tea.
Great choice, Emma. Now it's time to choose the next ingredient.
Matcha tea?
And next ingredient.
Caramel tapioca pearls?
What's next?
vegetables.
Great choice, Emma.
Thanks, Elly. This looks yummy.
Emma, Eva, and Eric look really happy.
Yay! So today we made caramel ice bubble tea, strawberry honey bubble tea, matcha bubble tea. Thank you so much, friends, for helping us out. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Elly, and this is Eva, and you're watching KidsCamp.